So in front of me here, I have a bunch of really good quality accessories from a company called Seasky. Now, Seasky did send me these to review for free, but this is not a sponsored video. I've been using these for the last 4 weeks or so in various scenarios, testing them out to see if they're worth it or not, because that is what this channel is about. I test out products to see if I'd recommend it to you. If I'm going to get value from it, I'm going to recommend it to you. And these are some really good quality action camera accessories, not just for GoPro, but for Insta360, for DJI, any action camera that you really use. You can use a lot of these accessories with any action camera manufacturer. So really good quality. They're available on Amazon. I will link everything I'm talking about in this video in the description down below. And yeah, I'm going to talk about the few that I think I'm going to use personally a lot more than the other ones, but we will touch on everything that they've sent me just to show you exactly what it's all about, because there's some good accessories here. Now, the first one I'm going to use a lot is the third person mount for the bike. It actually fits to the headset of most bicycles, and that gives you the ability to use something like the Insta360 X4 to get that third person invisible selfie stick look. It comes in the box with the Allen key and with the different size screws if you are using different size headsets, but it fits most bikes and it's on there solid. It's not moving. It's a carbon fiber rod, just like this one, which is one of their extension rods that we're going to talk about in a second, but it's well built. Most of these accessories are sort of made out of metal as well, which is good because they're more hard wearing, more durable, not likely to fail on you. I really am going to use it quite a lot. You can get some really sick third person views, and then with the X4 you can of course reframe the footage to suit your needs in post-production as well. But that is a great accessory. That's going to stay on my e-bike over there. I've been testing. I've got some really sick shots with it. It's very, very good and very durable, which is what you need when you're especially riding on UK roads. The other accessory I've been using a lot is this suction cup. This is absolutely brilliant. I've been super impressed. I've been using other suction cups in the past, but nothing really compares to this. It's got this really nice locking mechanism with easy to suction switch, which actually sucks onto most glass surfaces really, really well. Doesn't come off. I used this on a recent trip down to Cornwall. I left it on my car windscreen to record vlogging with the Go 3S when I was testing that, and it actually works brilliant. It stayed on there for about 5 days and did not move. So it's actually got this dual sort of locking head as well, so you can undo this. You've got these dual balls, so you can move it in any orientation that you want to, and then a really good quality metal switch which you can turn to get it locked into place. That it's not moving, it's made of metal. It's a fantastic suction cup, and one of the best that I've used over the 5 years I've been using action cameras. This thing's good. I've got the Go 3S on here, but you don't have to use it with the Go 3S. You can of course mount it with any other camera from any other manufacturer, and it actually comes in the box with the phone mount as well, so you can use your phone to suction cup onto some glass and do some vlogging or record some footage, whatever you want to do with it. So that's another accessory I'm going to be using all of the time for sure. Let's just straighten that up because that's affecting my OCD. Now let's talk about the Snorkel Kit, because this is for GoPro. So this is one of the only accessories that only is specifically for GoPro. You can fit the GoPro 9 all the way to 12 in here, and you can see it's got this massive big floaty on here for a start. So if you drop this whilst scuba diving or snorkeling, this is going to float to the surface, and you can be able to see it because it's bright orange, which is great. It actually comes in the box with this handle as well, which is a nice grip. The extra mount on there so it fits underneath with the GoPro prongs, and then a lanyard in the box. So if you're doing scuba diving or snorkeling, you can lanyard that to yourself. You can record the footage. For any reason you do lose it or drop it, then you know it's going to just hang from your wrist for one, but if you do lose it any further, then that's just going to float to the surface, so you're not going to lose this. And that's just a bit of a safety feature for the GoPro if you're using this underwater a lot. So it's made well. It's a really good accessory, and I've actually added one of their screw threads on here. Let me talk about these for a second, because I do not like the original GoPro screw heads that come with most action cameras. You've got this one which has, you know, a screw in there which you can actually use a screwdriver to tighten it up, or you get this type which actually comes mainly a lot of the time with a tool in the box, which is something else you can lose to actually tighten these up on your action camera mount to get them really tight. But these ones from Seasky are made of metal, and they've got these really big purchase on the thumb screw bit, so you can actually really turn them and get them very tight, like I've done with this snorkel set here. So you can really get your thumb and finger on there to tighten it up as much as you want, and that really gives it that extra bit of safety. And they're obviously made of a metal material, so they're not likely to fail on you either. So I really do like these tool-free screws for most sports cameras. That's what they're called. They come 2 in a box, so you can purchase these and you get 2 of these. So these are great. I'm going to be actually buying some of these myself because they're a lot better than the other ones you can buy on the market, and yeah, a lot safer, a lot more durable. These are really good products. You can actually buy the 1/4 inch to standard mount from Seasky as well. That actually comes with one of their screw threads in there. Then you also get this action camera mount, which has a 1/4 inch on the bottom. It's made of metal as well, which is a bit stronger and a lot more durable than the plastic ones that come with most action cameras. And then if you'll tighten this up really as strong, if like I like to on my cameras, so they don't pop off or they don't move while I'm vlogging forward and backwards, then this isn't likely to snap the plastic as you're really screwing it on there hard as well. So yeah, I fully recommend grabbing some of these. If you do a lot of action camera sports and you're using a lot of action cameras, then having these multiple in your bag just in case you lose one or you want to use multiple cameras, then they're great accessories just to have in your camera bag all of the time. Now they did send me these video extension rods which have action camera mounts on them, and there's 3 in the box like so. So, I mean, and it comes with all the sort of accessories in there, extra screw threads and the tool and mounts and stuff. So, you know, if you're in a scenario where you've got, say, the suction cup on your car and you want to change the angle, really get down low with this, you can add these to that and then add the camera on the end of there. So there's 3 different lengths here, made of metal as well and carbon fiber, really good quality. These are going to come in useful. You know, you never know when you're going to need stuff like this for getting different shots. Use your creativity, you can use them for multiple purposes. It's another great accessory from Seasky. They've also got this sticky mount, which this is the only one which frustrates me, not just from Seasky, but from other manufacturers. I've had ones from DJI that just don't stick to dashboards. I think it's the vinyl on dashboards that it doesn't work with. So that's the only sort of use case scenario that I would actually use one of these, is by sticking it on a dashboard of a car. And for me, they haven't stuck on there. These are the same. It just won't stay on the vinyl of my dashboard. I've got the X3 up there recording as we speak now, but that actually did stick on there. It's been up there for a week now, it hasn't come off. So it does stick on certain things, but for what I would use it for on dashboards on my car, then it won't stick. So that's the only drawback of all of these accessories. Apart from that one thing that I've come across, they've been really, obviously I haven't used any of the snorkel handle set for any snorkeling, but you can tell from holding it that it's a good quality set and it comes with all the accessories you'd need. The only other one is the backpack mount, which is sort of the standard mount. It's got a nice locking mechanism here with a ball head, so you can change the angle of the action camera, and that actually fits onto your backpack strap if you want to do some POV shots. But yeah, you can just carry your action camera as well, so you can put any action camera on there. So that's another good accessory as well. So yeah, from my initial testing over the last 4 weeks or so of using all these screw threads, the mounts, suction cup, the third-person view mount especially, these are really good quality accessories and you can't go wrong at all. Like I said, I will be linking them in the description down below. If I've got any discount codes or coupons, I will let you know as well in the pinned comment. But some great accessories. Elevate your action camera game with these accessories from Seasky. I fully recommend them. That's it for this one. If you like these kind of videos, make sure you check out this one over here, and you might like this video right here. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, it really does help. Give this video a like if you don't mind, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.